Alright, so it turns out the trash bins has been running with a pretty extraordinary vacuum leak. Can we see that? That's a, there, you can definitely see that. So that runs across the entire manifold that way. Let's see if I can get some view in there. And you can hear it real well. Like, you can just tell that that's a bad melon. So that means that I got to take this off, clean her up, put her back together, and give her a little bit of gasket material. Before I do that, we're going to do a vacuum leak test and see exactly how bad that is. So let's be right back. All right, well, she seals herself up under vacuum, which is pretty neat. Okay, so while I have the intake manifold off the car and I'm refreshing it and redoing the gasket on it, I guess I'm going to go ahead and take measurements off of the bottom half to potentially do a 3D printed intake manifold that sits on there. I've already got a 3D printed velocity stack, and it works great. I mean, you can absolutely tell a difference. So let's get some comments on the video, give me some design ideas maybe, and we'll 3D print an intake manifold for this Mercedes.